Hey my beautiful vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must around here. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be making some jerk curry chicken wings today, and here are my ingredients that I will be using. So first, let's mix up all the seasonings. So I have 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I added 1.5 tablespoons jerk seasoning, half teaspoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon chicken seasoning, you can use all purpose, 1 tablespoon garlic granules, and 1 tablespoon onion granules. Now you can use onion powder or garlic powder if you have it. So mix that up, and then I realized I didn't put any salt in it, so I'm gonna put just a little bit. So add salt to taste. And now here are my chicken wings, and I'm just going to pour some of the seasoning on it, then mix it up with my hand, right? Instead of just pouring all the seasoning all at once, I tend to do that. I pour some, mix, and then pour the rest and mix again. I also added some green seasoning. That was 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. Mix that in, and then now I'm adding some more curry seasoning mixture with jerk seasoning and everything. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of wet jerk seasoning. You don't want to leave this out, and mine is hot and so good. So I'm going to leave this to marinate for 4 hours. And then here is my pot. Add oil. And I added 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and we're going to be burning the curry, not literally, right? But we just want to kind of cook it a little bit. So do this for about 2 minutes and mix it up, and then you can leave it for about 2 minutes, and then this is it. And I'm gonna add my chicken wings. Did I say it's 16 chicken wings? 16 nice fat chicken wings. Add it and mix it up. So make sure you take the time to sear the chicken wings, right? You want to go ahead and mix that up, and then we are going to cover it on low for about 8 minutes. Don't do more than 10 minutes, right? But preferably 8 minutes. Cover it on low for 8 minutes. Here are the rest of my ingredients. So this is after 8 minutes. Go ahead and stir that up, So what I'm trying to do is to make all the natural juices come forth. It's taking its time, right? Because I have it on low. As well as chicken wing don't carry a lot of fat. It don't carry fat. So that is why the juice don't come out so fast, right? So now I'm going to add thyme. I'm adding pimento seed. I'm adding grated ginger, garlic, minced up garlic, sweet peppers or bell peppers, 1 whole onion, and we are gonna mix up all of this, and of course some scallion or green onion, right? So give that a mix it up, and then we're going to cover this now, vibes fam, for 10 minutes, right? Make sure you get all the seasoning together under the bottom, mix up everything, and then we're going to cover it for 10 minutes. Really want to infuse the seasoning. 10 minutes. And by this time, Vibes Fam, your pot should already be telling everybody in the community that you are cooking some nice jerk curry chicken wings. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at it, Vibes Fam. Look how it look good. And that juice right there, natural. I mean, that is all from the chicken wings. I'm telling you, do not leave out this part where you let the chicken do what it do, because the chicken is gonna do what it do. So now I'm gonna add some hot water. So I pour the water in the bowl that I season the chicken in, just so I can get the rest of the seasoning, right? And this is hot. I said that before, right? So yes, hot water. And then we're gonna push the chicken to the side and pour it in the pot. Get it all up in there. So now we're adding some water finally, right? So remember, natural juice first. So therefore we know where we are heading, as in how much water to add. Do not add too much water and drown your chicken. No, we don't drown chicken around here, right? Yes, just add enough water just to come up to the top a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a toops more. Wash off the spoon, a toops more, and then we're going to pour the, see, not much. Add that in the pot, and then we are going to cover it up for 15 minutes. That looks so good. 15 minutes, Vibes Fam. And this is it, Vibes Fam, all done. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious pot of bubbling jerk curry chicken wings. Look at it bubbling. Any pot can bubble in a trouble. And it's not my pot, no, because my pot is bubbling. Bubble, girl, bubble, bubble all the way. Yes, yes, yes. And of course, look at it now that I turned off the stove. Oh my goodness, Vibes Fam, look at it. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. All the heat that you need. I'm telling you, it's just nice and spicy. And just, so think about it. If you're the type that you love jerk, right? You love yourself some jerk chicken and you love curry. Oh my goodness, what a piece of combo. What a combo. No, 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 no. KFC road. KFC combo can't compare. This is the combo that is the combo of all combos. But Vibes Fam, comment down below. Let me know, would you try this recipe? But thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Please click the thumbs up button and share my videos, please. Thank you so much. God bless you.